Hi, I'm Sasha. Refreshing your exterior trim with a new coat of paint is an easy weekend job, and one that will give your home a crisp new look and lots of curb appeal. And you can get it done fast with professional looking results by using a Flexio 3500 sprayer from Wagner.
Here's a list of things you'll need for this project. Wagner's Flexio 3500, exterior paint enough for 2 coats, paper or plastic sheeting, and painter's tape to cover up parts of the house you don't want paint on, like siding and light fixtures. Canvas drop cloths to protect the ground and anything nearby that you don't want paint on. And we always recommend wearing a dust mask and safety glasses whenever you're spraying. The Flexio 3500 is perfect for medium to large size jobs like this one. It comes with 2 nozzles, an eye spray nozzle for projects like spraying exterior trim, and a detail nozzle for finer finished work. Before painting the trim, make sure you scrape off any loose paint, caulk any gaps, and spot prime with a brush or sprayer. Also, be sure to cover the area around the trim with paper or plastic and painter's tape so you only get paint on the trim. Now we are ready to spray. First, do some practice spraying on a piece of cardboard. Adjust your material flow and airflow until you get a good-looking spray pattern. And change your spray width from wide to narrow. We are starting on the upper trim and working our way down to avoid bumping our ladder onto freshly painted trim. If your trim is wood, make sure to spray with the wood grain. For trim, that can mean up and down for some trim borders and side to side for others. So be sure to adjust your nozzle for the direction in which you'll be spraying. Also, keep the tip of your sprayer about 6 to 8 inches from the surface while spraying, and wipe off the tip with a damp rag every few minutes to keep the tip from clogging with paint.
Doesn't our house look so much better with freshly painted trim? Plus, we saved a lot of time and money by using a Wagner Flexio 3500 sprayer. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and information about Wagner's complete line of spraying products, visit wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.